So, hello guys. Ito kami ngayon. Ayan, magme-merienda kami ni Bansyong, guys. Ayun, na busy pa si Bansyong. Nag-ano pa, we have a coffee din. So, ayun, doon pa si Bansyong nag-ano pa ng water. Nag-refill pa siya saglit. So, may tinapay din kami, guys. Ayan, naisipan namin magmerienda, guys. Ayun, with sauce din tayo, guys. So, thank you so much. So, huwag nyo napansinin yung background namin, guys. Dito kami, meron kami dito may mga makina. So, ito yung ito yung place na saan kami mag-ano, guys. Mag-chika-chika. So, yun. Thank you so much. Let's have merienda, guys. So, yun. May pa-coffee din kami. So, of course, si Miming, sinundan naman ako ni Miming. Ming, are you okay? Hala, okay. Ana, you wait there, ha? You behave? You behave, Mim, ha? Ming, you do behave? Okay, very good. Hala, si Kibol din andito. Uy, Bol. Hala, don't bad Bol. Kibol, don't smell me, Bol. So, yun lang, guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys.